Kasi yung nakita namin projects nila, talagang copy nung expected plan, tapos dun sa final output na nakikita namin sa post nila. So, yun yung parang first thing na nakita namin. We were also looking for architects na around the area na, so familiar na sila dun sa lugar, ganun. So, malaking factor yung nakita naming mga sample projects na talagang side by side, the plans and the real output, pareho.
Yung mga clients nila na sa amin, na inintroduce sa amin, yung mga former clients nila, lahat sila positive feedback. Gaganda ng mga sinabi, and then they showed us yung mga projects nila. So, yun, magaganda, and we were really impressed with what they were able to do.
Yes, and in addition to what he said, malaking bagay yung may repeat clients sila. Kasi, di ba, uulit ka lang naman if you were satisfied. So, yung isa sa mga reference na nagawa nila, had several projects with them. So, it says a lot, di ba? Tsaka yung randomly, they invite their architects just to join them sa bahay. Ibig sabihin, positive talaga yung experience nila sa kanila. Seeing yung trust na binibigay ng ibang clients nila is the same trust that we were willing to give kung sino man yung final na mapili namin, and in the end nga, sila yung nakuha namin. Overall, smooth siya, considering na we were not here for the most part. Parang once lang kami umuwi lang kami doon sa final stage na and actually doon na lang sa pag-transfer ng property but the rest of the time, sila talaga yung nag-execute ng plans. And yun nga, hindi naman namin kailangan bantay sarado or visit, which is huge for us kasi overseas-based kami. Wala kaming time na, and physically, wala kami. So parang, kailangan namin ng architects na talagang mapagkakatiwalaan namin. So, binigay nila yun sa amin, and we were really happy with what they delivered.
Just like what Bree said, diba, as OFWs, yun yung pinaka-importante. You find an architect, you find someone who will build your house na you can trust. Okay? Because, not being in Manila, diba, sobrang hirap nun. And you always hear yung mga stories ng mga negative experiences dun sa mga ibang contractors and whatnot. And we're so happy na we found people that we can trust to build our house.
Actually, thankful din kami dun sa mga past clients nila kasi yung mga references na binigay nila sa amin is very accurate to what we experienced. Meron din silang mga clients in the past na overseas-based, and exactly, sabi nga nila, hinayaan lang nilang mag-deliver sila architect. Ganon yung parang stress-free, ganon. Syempre, mga minor along the way, but it's nothing. Kumbaga, hindi namin in-expect na ganon kadaling mag-build ng house, considering na wala kami dito. Ako wala, as in, kung paano at the beginning till the end, ganon pa rin. As in, and honestly, like, we were rooting for the team talaga. We're rooting for you guys, kasi sobrang deserve nyo yung mga accomplishments nyo, yung mga dinedeliver ninyo, maganda, and yun nga, yung trust na binigay namin sa inyo, hindi nga naman binaliwala, talagang inalagaan nila yung trust na yun.
Expectations talaga namin, yung number one on our list would be how the plan was created, diba? Yun yung gusto naming output. Yun yung number one namin, and based dun sa mga past nga na nagawa nung team, definitely they were able to deliver. Now, dun sa experience namin, 100%, they were able to deliver. Quinta was able to deliver what we were expecting.
Saka yung actually flexibility din nila kasi one summer lang namin, isang uwi lang namin pinlano to face-to-face. Tapos along the way, yung initial plan na na-design, na-improve pa. Hindi kami nasistress. May mga parts ng bahay na, kunwari, ni-request lang namin na, pwede nyo bang lagyan ng mga unique features yung bahay para maganda siya lalo. And yun nga, dun sa next meeting namin, which was online lang, na-present nila yung ilang parts ng bahay to improve it. And mas maganda pa than what we expected.
And definitely the team considers what we want. So, yung mga feedback namin, they try to integrate it to the design. Magkakaroon kami ng planning meeting. So it's the work of both the architect and the owner. which is really nice.
Kapag may mga requests kami dun sa parts na talagang preferences namin sa design, talagang kinoconsider nila yun dun sa mga revisions ng plans, ganyan. Kapag may na-mention kami to improve the design and to make it more tailored to us, talagang nakikinig sila dun sa feedback na yun, and we could see na every time we meet, nata-target yung mga specific ideas na bring up namin sa kanila. I think because we were based overseas nga, in terms of yung after ng build, 'di ba? Syempre may mga period of basta yung yung post-construction period na very considerate sila. Kunwari, hindi naman namin agad natirahan yung bahay, ganyan. So ngayon lang namin na experience, talagang ina-accommodate pa rin naman nila yung mga feedback namin or yung mga dapat ayusin. So, really appreciate na even after a certain time, tapos ngayon nga namin na-experience yung bahay, talagang open pa rin silang nag-accommodate sa amin. Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
Ako for me, marami. Pero for me, yung lighting ng bahay, ang ganda niya. Lalo na pag nasa labas ka at night, and you're driving, so makikita mo from afar yung bahay, talagang nagla-light up talaga siya. Sobrang alive na alive yung bahay pag nakabukas lahat ng ilaw. Aside from that, dami eh. As in, hanap ka lang dito. Yung high ceiling, ang ganda. Yung first floor and second floor, magkaiba yung characteristics. So pag nandito ka sa first floor, sobrang homey, cozy. But when you go upstairs, sobrang lawak, sobrang grand ang light ng feeling. When you go at the back, ang ganda ng profile, para ka nasa yate, parang ganun style. Ang ganda, ang daming places na maganda.
Ako yung mga bedrooms, kasi iba-iba sila ng design, so parang kada room iba yung hitsura, but they're equally nice. Lalo na yung sa masters, pati yung doors. Ayun, so sobrang na-appreciate namin. Sabi nga ng mga tao, asan yung masters? Hindi nila mahalata. So, ayun.
Tsaka parang kami very well traveled kami around the world. We've seen a lot of designs, like internationally, and definitely, walang bias. Ang ganda. As in, talagang may panlalaban yung bahay sa international designs. So, ang ganda.
Definitely, kasi nung nag-design kami ng bahay, talagang very specific kami dun sa mga characteristics na gusto namin dun sa house. Ayun nga, so dun pa lang sa design phase, talagang pinag-usapan namin silang mabuti para ma-embody ng bahay yung mga gusto naming, yung mga traits namin, yung mga preferences namin, yung mga styles din namin. Ako, malaking bagay yung references nila. Kasi syempre, as someone who's about to build their house, tapos kausap mo yung mga nakakapatayo lang ng bahay with them, and for them to feel so confident dun sa experience nila, malaking bagay yun. Pinagtitiwalaan naman namin yung mga nakausap namin, tapos nakita din namin yung mga final houses na nagawa na nila around the area. And ayun, so together yung testimonials ng iba, saka yung mga bahay na nakita namin, it makes sense yung gano'n na nagtutugma yung mga sinabi sa amin saka yung mga nakita naming final na bahay.
As OFWs nga, we really value people we can trust, and this goes for other OFWs as well, na yung Quinta definitely is architecture and contractors na you can trust with yung yung money and time and your vision, kasi talagang tutulungan kayo ng team.
Definitely. By the way, yung mga nakausap namin nag-recommend sa kanila, wala kaming kilala sa kanila. So mga as in random clients lang nila na we asked feedback from. Kung kami positive yung experiences, yun nga yung mga taong pinagtiwalaan din namin hinga ng testimonials, positive yung experience, so definitely i-recommend namin sila dun sa mga kaibigan namin.
And then we actually definitely already recommend them to people because they have been really supportive. They have been very trustworthy. Building, designing, construction, turnover, and all that. Sobrang tinutulungan pa rin kami. So, definitely highly recommended yung team. Oo, definitely. Kinukontrata na nga namin eh. Oo, yung next definitely when we create our next one, whether it be another house or yung kunyari paggawa kami ng mga commercial building or apartments or whatnot, we'll still definitely take Quinta kasi we definitely satisfied kami dun sa services na binigay nila.
And actually, sabi nga namin pag nag-uusap kami, because of the smoothness nung ito experience namin with them, parang mas nakakaenggan yung magpagawa ulit. Nakaka-addict pala siya. Kasi yun nga, parang yung positive experience mo, yung parang usually horror stories na naririnig mo, hindi naman namin na-experience with them, thankfully. So, ayun. Siguro for me, communicate kung ano yung gusto ninyo na aspects ng bahay for your own families. Kasi dun pa lang sa design phase, pag na-mention nyo na yung mga specific things na gusto nyong details ng bahay, mas madaling mag-design on their end kasi alam nila yung expectations ninyo. So, ayun.
For me, building a house is definitely a big leap financially, diba? Tapos yung time nyo, definitely you get an architecture firm na talagang they will deliver. As we've said, nakakatakot magpagawa ng bahay sa sobrang daming stories ngayon or things na nangyayari. You go with people that you can trust and go with an architecture firm like Quinta na people can vouch for and that they have positive experiences. Definitely yung time and effort na ibibigay nung team to make your dream house come true is definitely there and they will give their 100%.